Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, we are in a different location. This is my bedroom. Today we are doing a fashion haul. I asked you guys on Instagram and on Snapchat if you guys were interested in seeing a SHEIN haul. No, this video is not sponsored. They did not send me this stuff. These are clothing pieces that I bought with my own money. I've had this app for a few months now, and I've just been debating. I'm like, should I order? Should I not? Like, everything just seemed a little sketchy and a little too good to be true, if you know what I mean. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'm gonna order some stuff because their stuff is super cute and the prices are really not bad. Everything that I ordered is probably under $20, which is a big win for me. I don't like to spend more than $20 on sweaters or cardigans, hoodies, things like that, just because, again, I don't wear my clothing pieces enough to spend that much money on them. So I have two pairs of shoes that I'm going to show you guys, and then I have a few shirts and a cardigan that I just wanted to show you how I would style them in case you guys end up I cannot talk today, in case you guys end up picking up these pieces for yourself. Again, everything is under $20, so everything is going to be pretty affordable, and I'm going to be showing you guys outfit ideas. So with that said, let's jump right into this fashion haul. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. I hope you join the Lash Babe team, and yeah, I upload 3 times a week. So let's get into this fashion haul. Okay, so the first pair of shoes that I bought are these sneakers. Now, the thing with shoes is that they can definitely be a hit or miss, and that was definitely the case for me. So I had been wanting some chunky sole type of sneakers. These literally bring me back to maybe 6th grade or 7th grade. I used to love chunky sole shoes. If I can find some pictures of me wearing these white platform sneakers that I was obsessed with, I'm gonna insert it here. I hope I can find it. But I bought these because, again, they just brought me back to like my 6th and 7th grade year. These are not as chunky as the ones that I used to wear, but they still have a little bit of like a sole to them. They are a snake print, as you can see. Let me turn down my brightness. There you go. So these have the snake prints all around here, and then they have a little bit of like a blush color, and it does come with some extra shoelaces. Instead of being white, they are baby pink, so if you do want to switch them up. Now, the size that I got them are a size 7, I believe, and these were only $19, or they were $20. These were $20.70, which is not bad at all. This is a contrast faux fur sleeve sweatshirt. This one was $9, and this one is in a size medium. With this one, I feel like I could have also sized down because it is a little bit like on the baggy side, but I think it's cute. So this is what it looks like. It has this like, what is this? Don't remember the name of this material, but if you guys see that, that is what it is. I forgot the name of it. And then it has this faux fur, which I love this. Like, I don't really care for this, but this faux fur sleeve I think is so cute. Okay, so I didn't think I was going to like this sweater as much, but this is actually so cute. So I'm used to tucking in my sweatshirts, but this one can be pretty long, like if you just wear it regular. I don't know. I'm not a fan of wearing it all the way up to here because I feel like it makes my hips look even more narrow than they are. So I usually like to tuck them in. This is a higher waisted jean, so I would usually wear it with something a little bit shorter. And then obviously I paired it up with the snake print sneakers. Like, why are these an actual vibe? Like, these are super cute. I just I don't wear pink, so I feel like I'm not gonna get much use out of them, but I love this. I love the sweater. This is a pair of shoes that I ordered too big. Obviously, I have a thing for snake print. These, I did order them in a size 7.5. And the reason why I ordered them 7.5 is because I have wider feet. And so I figured, you know, usually narrow shoes like this, I do have to go at least a half size up. So I was like, I'm going to go a half size up. So I did get them in a 7.5, and they are too big. I probably have like that much extra room, and so I am going to have to exchange these or return them for a smaller size. These were pretty inexpensive as well, obviously under $20. These were only $16.20. Next up is another sweater. I got a bunch of sweaters, I said. So this one was $7.20, and this one again is a size medium. And yes, I really love snake prints. This is what it looks like. I think this one's probably my favorite one out of them all. It has maroon, and then it has the sleeve down here, and then it's like a color block, just like it says. And then the snake print, the black on top, and that's what it looks like. That's literally all it is. I don't wear cardigans as much because I do live in Utah and it is pretty cold. Like, you would have to wear cardigans when it's barely getting cold, but right now it is so cold that you have to wear a jacket on top of this. So this one was $7.20. This is in a size small. I usually wear small, medium, but I'm glad I got a small in this because it's not big, but it does run a little bit loose. So as you can see, it has like a balloon sleeve, and then it has these really cute pearls all throughout the sleeve. I don't know how long this is going to last, so I'm going to try and not wash it unless it's absolutely necessary. And even then, I just might like clean the part where it gets dirty, but it's pretty heavy. It feels very sturdy. Now, when I'm shopping for outfits, I like to pair outfits so I know how to wear them. So with this, I ordered a basic plain t-shirt. Now, one of the things that I wanted to mention about this app is that I really like the fact or the idea that they show you how to pair outfits. So let's say that you click on this cardigan, it shows you what shirt to style it with, the jeans, purse, glasses, accessories, things like that. And you can purchase pretty much everything from their website, which I think is really, really cool. Especially if you have like a hard time pairing up outfits, that would really help. So this is the shirt that I got to wear with this cardigan. It is a plain shirt. I did get it in a size medium, and it says Jesus in the center. I just loved the handwriting. It's like so pretty. It's plain, and trust me, you probably will look at it and you're like, that's not gonna look cute together, but it looks really pretty. This Jesus t-shirt was only $8.10. Next is this sweater. Let me see. This one is a chain print drawstring hoodie. This one is $6.30, and I did get this one in a size medium. This one just reminded me of like Gucci, like very, I don't know, very cute, very Gucci vibes. This is what the sweater looks like. Oh my god, I love this sweater so much. I have no idea how I'm going to wear it, but the thing about this is that you can style it up or you can dress it down. And I think this one with some cute chunky sole shoes will look really pretty. The material is not bad. I don't know how to describe it. It is a little bit thin, so if it's cold where you live like me, I'm probably going to have to wear like another shirt underneath, or you can pair this up with a jean jacket on top and it'll keep you a little bit more warm. I think this is so cute. It's very like vintage almost. I don't know. I really like this one, and just like the whole detail of it just really caught my attention. So the very last sweater that I got, now that I see it, I'm like, oh, okay, it's not my favorite, but I'm hoping that I can make it work and pair it up with like something super cute. This is a pearl embellished drop shoulder plaid sweatshirt. This was $5.40, and this is a size medium. $5, you guys. I did obviously try to go for like the most affordable things because I'm cheap and I didn't want to spend too much money. But now that I see the quality, I'm like, okay. And it might be a hit and miss with some of these products. I would also recommend, if you guys are shopping here, to always look at the reviews, because the reviews will tell you whether to buy the product or not if it has bad reviews. But for most of the part, it really helps that people put in pictures of the shirt or the sweater, whatever it was. That way you can actually see it on a person, like not on a model. So this is the last sweater that I got. Again, I thought it was going to be cuter. I don't know. I have to wear it. I have to style it and see if it's going to look cute. But this is the same style. It has this like a bubble sleeve, and then it also has the little pearls on the front. This is very like vintage, very Clueless. That's what I thought of when I got this sweater. This is the last little sweater that I got, and I don't know, I have to, like I said, try it and play with it and see if I can make it work, because on here it doesn't look that cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see like more fashion hauls, I do have a few more videos in mind as far as like fashion, especially from Walmart, because you guys seem to really love those. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on those videos. And let me know your thoughts on these clothing pieces, and if you bought anything from SHEIN, what is your favorite item? Maybe I can like check it out and do another haul in the future if you guys are interested. Why am I losing my voice? Again, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.